It's been great. It's more than exceeding expectations. Anytime we get a chance to get together like this, I think we grow our opportunities, whether it be in this VA summit, any summit for that matter. But this has really been cool, and I think we've kind of shifted our mindset from what we came here with.
We are giving away a third gift right now to my friend Susie Rainier. This surprise gift is to an organization called 4-Day Movement. Congratulations, here's your gift.
The VA Summit's been phenomenal. The leadership team, Sarah and Morgan, really put a ton of work into this. I've just been blown away by the support that movement has just poured into it. It's been tremendous.
Eyes front.
Favorite part so far has just been hearing stories from the employees about the veterans that have impacted them personally. It's just a great connection and motivating to learn about what drives them.
My favorite part has been being able to see everybody come together to do nothing but get better with the VA product and the support that we're going to have coming out of this for our veterans.
And I think the challenge to us as business folks is to go, the reason we look up to military men and women so much is because we see the way they serve. I think for us as Americans, that's the opportunity and responsibility. To not just take this freedom as an opportunity to see what we can get, but to take that freedom and say, hey, what can we give?
Hearing everyone's stories, where they came from, their military experience of their family, and just why it's really important to them to help our veterans get into their homes.
I think some people came here with thinking they're going to learn how to get more VA business, and I think people are walking away with just getting a better understanding of working with the veterans that they already serve.